You man. Oh, he does.
Look, that's what's wrong with me.
What?
Snoring man.
You need anyone hear that? Go on, right, hurry up. Go. Go now. Do it. Do it. That's on his shoulder as well. For a quick for another bit. We're helping save his life. Snoring's bad for you. Fucks up all your arteries in the back of your neck and throat. On the head. Oh, it's missed. You really couldn't hit a barn door, could you? Couldn't hit a barn door. Could you? Hey? Hang on, wait. Right, go.
No.
Go.
So what are you saying?
I mean, it wasn't even close. Not like this time.
You're joking.
It's over his head. Well, quick, keep going. Keep
Why
going.
didn't you wake me up?
Just keep going. He's got quite a collection of newspaper building up on his left shoulder.
No.
Not even close, Chris. You really do throw like a girl, don't you?
Or
is this that you breathe with your mouth?
Not even stirring. Well, the guy's not even stirred. He hasn't even stirred.
I'll get off his train before I get arrested.
See you later, Chris.
This is chocolate, isn't it?
This is chocolate. See you later. Well judged, Simon Cow. See you later.